I once came across a quote by Jane Wilson Howrath. Blood-colored bottlebrush trees and scarlet hibiscus look too bright for this devastated world. Yes, you guessed it right. Today I speak about the bottlebrush tree. Bottlebrush plants get their name from the spikes of flowers that bloom at the ends of the stems, bearing a strong resemblance to a bottle brush. They are native to Australia. They are mainly used in ornamental landscaping. They are ideal as border plants, as hedging, or in a container like this one. You may grow them as shrubs or small trees that grow up to 15 feet. So it fits gardens of all sizes. Very congenial, most bottlebrush varieties bloom over a long summer season in shades of red or crimson. We are in the second half of winters in North India, so we can see new foliage sprouting, but the flowers are still keenly awaited and shall soon show up. They don't like extreme winters. The plants aren't picky about the soil as long as it is well drained. If the soil is very poor, enrich it with compost at planting time. Water it regularly when the tree is young. Plant bottlebrush in a sunny location. They grow best in temperatures ranging from 10 to 32 degrees Celsius. Make sure not to transplant or be as careful as possible, as even slight root damage may kill the tree. Please follow, like and share the post using the icons given below. Please do check out some great recipes at mencanmakehomes.com. Visit us at Early Progressions Faridabad to know lots more. Bye for now.